If you're conducting a validation exercise, you'll need a statistically valid sample. ASQA has developed a calculator which can simplify the process for you. Let's have a look at our validation calculator. The default values have already been set for the error and confidence levels, and we'll show you how to change them. First, input the number of assessment judgments. This is the total number of assessments conducted over a time period. We suggest at least 6 months. We'll use 100 assessments. As we enter it, the sample size adjusts. If the default values remain, the calculator shows that you should review 31 assessment judgments to get a valid sample. The second input field is the error level. The recommended default for this is 15%. If there is an unexpectedly high level of competent or not competent results, decrease the error risk to 10%. This will recommend a larger and more inclusive sample size. If we select 10%, the sample size increases from 31 to 50. The final input is the confidence level. This number is your expectation that the sample will produce an accurate validation outcome. The calculator lets you increase or decrease based on the likelihood of inconsistent results. In our case, changing the confidence to 99% increases our sample size to 43. Now that you've determined an appropriate sample size, use a random sampling method of your choice to select that number of assessment judgments. For detailed information on using our validation calculator, visit the ASQA website.